clothes smelling like trees. Right back in the mark. No scar, but I'm mark.
Alright, welcome to Quick Tutorials. What we're going to do here is first we install the X tool. If you don't have it installed, it's just .NET install tool X, and it's one of the most useful tools out there. And you can see that command again here, .NET tool install -gx, and then we run xnew view spa. We're going to create a view spa. There's a lot of different things you can do. You can do Viewify, React, whatever you want. I like the view spa one. It's just my basic starter because it's just what I like, you know? What you like's what you like. So we run that. That's all run. So now let's go to that directory. All right. It built us a Docker file to deploy this. It built us, this is where the main business logic sits here. This is where you write your services. So your web interface will be here. I mean, obviously from the service. And then this is where you put your models. It's very well thought out. You know, like all your models go into this project. All your business logic goes here, and all your services, which is actually also business logic, you know. But this is server logic, I guess. And then it comes with tests. Oh, you know it's good if it generates basic tests for you. And then, you know, you can just do the usual. I don't know if I have Writer or Visual Studio set up as the basic or as the default. So normally you could just go let's play game .sln, load that, but I don't think I have the proper thing set up. So we're just going to pop over Visual Studio and go ahead and load that. Fun, fun, fun. Fun, fun, fun. Let's play a game. And here's the project. It's being loaded. And this is going to be pretty much the extent of tutorial 1, is just how do I get my project up and running. And in the next ones, we'll go over configuring auth repository. These are, you know, I mean, you can probably guess what they do. I don't have to tell you. We're going to delete this out, and then we may talk about here, but we'll probably mostly stay in the modular startup here and add some services in the next few videos. Well, thanks for watching. Have a great day.